I'm Steve Turano with Ask a Real Expert. Great Ace asked this very good question. He said, Steve, is it true you got to be on the treadmill for 20 minutes before you start burning fat? And what if you already created a calorie deficit before you get on the treadmill? Would you start burning fat immediately? Well, the answer is yes. You see, we burn fat and carbohydrates all day long. Fat and carbohydrates are our primary source of fuel. The reason is we're taking in plenty of oxygen, so we're aerobic. So because we're taking in plenty of oxygen, we're utilizing fat as an energy source. You don't feel the burn when you're talking on the phone or typing on the computer or walking down the street, do you? Because you're aerobic. Now when we jump on a treadmill, from the moment you jump on the treadmill, you're burning fat, just like you were walking down the street. But you're just not burning a lot of fat. Then after about 15, 20, 30 minutes, depending on what kind of shape you're in, your body says, whoa, Steve's doing this for real. We're going to need more energy. We're going to have to give him a greater supply of energy, and that's when the body releases greater amounts of fat. So people don't realize that. When you jump on the treadmill, you're burning fat, you're just not burning a lot of it. The body doesn't release the fat as easily. Now, if you were an Olympic marathoner, used to doing this stuff all day long, as soon as you hit the treadmill, you'd be burning fat, but you'd be burning a lot more fat. It's people who are not super aerobic where it takes 15, 20, or 30 minutes for that additional fat release to occur. But you get on the treadmill, you start burning fat from the moment you do it. And a lot of times, we feel this with a second wind. If you're playing basketball and you start to feel kind of punky, and then after about 30 minutes, boom, you get that second wind, that's that additional release of body fat giving you the additional energy you need. I'm Steve Turano, Ask a Real Expert.